In our first lesson, we already learned the sounds of a, e, a, and a. These are called the short vowels. Let's review their sounds once more. Let's say them twice. Ready? A, ant. A, ant. E, egg. E, egg. I, ink. I, ink. A, on. A, on. Up. Up. Next, we're going to learn how they sound when joined with the other letters. First, we're going to learn the sounds of consonants and the short vowel a. As I say the sounds, the second time you say them with me. Ready? Ma, mass. Ma, mass. Ha, hat. Ha, hat. S, sax. Sa, sax. Pa, pal. Pa, pal. Now we'll say the following words once. Ready? Fan, bat, fat, dad, gas, pad, pan, jam, sat, mad, ham, wax. Now we go to the short vowel e. Again, listen as I say them the first time. Then we're going to say them together. Ready? J, jet, j, jet. We, wet, we, wet. Te, ten, te, ten. Ye, yell, ye, yell. Now we'll say the following words once. Ready? Hen, men, less, bell, get, knit, tell, sell, leg, bed, well, pet. Next, the short vowel E. We're going to do the same. Ready? Ki, kick, ki, kick. Rib, rib. Dig, dig. Quiz, quiz. Now we'll say the following words once. Ready? Win, hip, pig, big, him, miss, fix, six, sip, fill, tip, hit. Next, the short vowel ah. Let's start. Ha, hup, ha, hup. Ba, bow, ba, bow. Ra, rud, ra, rud. La, lug, la, lug. Now we'll say the following words once. Ready? Fog, God, hot, ton, mop, pot, jog, job, fox, nod, cup, got. And finally, we go to the short vowel a. K, cuff, k, cuff. B, buy, b, buy. G, gum, g, gum. R, run, r, run. Now we'll say the following words once. Let's start. Cup, rug, hum, fun, nut, bug, cut, rub, some, mud, tub, bud. Rewind this tape from the beginning right now, and let's review what we have learned so far. In the next few days, keep playing this tape until you have mastered the lessons.